Previously, I reviewed the SAVA E8 e-bike. It was my first carbon fiber electric bike and I just love it. It's beautiful, light and fun to ride. Recently, SAVA reached out to me with the newest carbon fiber gravel e-bike, the SAVA E-Flash, to see if I was interested in giving a ride. How could I miss the chance? Hence, I switched my daily rider from the Hammer Z20 to the SAVA E-Flash. After spending more than a week in the saddle, how is it? Should you back the project from the Kickstarter campaign? The link for which you can find in the description. In this video, I will tell you my very honest opinion about it. I will start with the unboxing assembly. Normally, I will do this part because, for e-bikes, they are kind of heavy and require some skills to assemble. But for the SAVA E-Flash, I just let my beautiful colleague Ricky do everything. Well, I just sat there watching. Overall, it took her about 20 minutes from unboxing to full assembly. There's really nothing you should be extremely careful of or find difficult to assemble. Just intuitive and nothing too much required from the user's end. Only one complaint I have to mention is, it seems the Allen keys that come with the box are not sufficient for the screws, so we have to use our own Allen keys. But since this is a prototype, I'm pretty sure they will include everything in the final package. No need to worry about that. We install the handlebars first. They have marks there, so you just align them while you are screwing tight the screws and it will be centered. Next, invert the bike and install the front tire. One little detail we've noticed is that they have a small wheel on the axis, so you can just slide into the fork, which is even easier. Lastly, you install the accessories like the pedals, reflective lights on the wheels, front light, etc., and connect the cables. Since it's assembled, I want to go through the design and specs for you first before we hop on the bike, because it is a cool looking bike with some jaw-dropping specs. Unlike conventional bikes we normally see on the market, the SAVA E-Flash is designed with sport in mind. This can be seen from the racing bike style handlebars. They are carefully wrapped in PU material, which is sweat resistant, comfortable to hold even after riding for a long time. The levers house the Shimano 11-gear shifter and allow for 22 speeds. The frame is made of carbon fiber T700, which is lightweight and durable. The 700 by 40mm tires are from Continental, perfect for speed. And lastly, are the hydraulic disc brakes, which completely stops you whenever needed. I don't know what your first impression about the SAVA E-Flash is, but I can tell you mine. It feels sporty, premium, and minimalistic. It just looks simple and low profile and won't give me any extra burden. It doesn't have a protruding battery pack like turtle shells and other e-bikes. So, where's the battery? Well, it's in the down tube. The capacity is 7 amp-hour, which could provide a max of 80 kilometers. It's removable, but as we were rushing to get this video done, we didn't get to take the battery out, as SAVA told me that they will release a video of how to remove the battery later. That's great. Now, about the ride quality, the 27-inch tires work well at absorbing some bumps in the road. I feel comfortable and stable on those well-maintained city roads. But they definitely don't replace fat tires and full suspension for cobblestones or the high-impact rough terrain like some bikes I've ridden before. But I can totally understand that the SAVA E-Flash is designed for city roads, or as they said, for gravel roads. Still, most people will be using the SAVA E-Flash on fairly decent streets and bike lanes. As for the speed, you've got to know the SAVA E-Flash doesn't come with a throttle control. So the fastest speed really depends on how fast you can pedal. Officially, it claims it can reach up to 40 km per hour with its AKM 350 watts motor assistance. Well, for me, I can sometimes easily bump to 38 or even 42 km per hour on flat ground with my 85 kilograms weight, all thanks to my strong legs. For me, the most important thing is with this lightweight and sporty design, I can really enjoy the real thrill of cycling. I can go a lot farther, a lot faster, and that's what I really appreciate from this e-bike. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the riding. From my test with a ride on rough terrain or all kinds of city roads, I just feel light, comfortable, and powerful. So, should you get the SAVA E-Flash? Currently sells at $2,499 on Kickstarter, which is not cheap at all. But if you compare with other big brands with the same specs, that price could be doubled or even tripled. For me, I definitely recommend this brand and this e-bike. For this brand, like I said before, I reviewed their product years ago, and it's not like that kind of company which made a quick buck and went. They are devoted to carbon fiber e-bikes for many years, and for each generation they add something new and push to more users, while at the same time remaining at a reasonable price. Unlike many other e-bikes I've reviewed, they're only good for male users or just for female users. This e-Flash is made for all, a true unisex bike. It's maneuverable from place to place, and most importantly, it offers a real cycling experience that I really find in other e-bikes. Sometimes I can feel I'm a super cyclist where I pedal to get the fastest speed from it. It offers me an absolutely unique pedaling experience, and my satisfaction of cycling is on a much higher level. And that's what really makes this e-bike stand out from the rest of e-bikes. Alright, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as you enjoyed reading it. For more about the SAVA e-Flash, please check out the link in the description and back the project now. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click right here to subscribe. I'm Sammy. I will see you in the next one.
Okay.